Okay, so I haven't posted any videos for a little while, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity just to do a quick walk around the workshop and show you guys what I've been up to. So I'm working on the Stapley at the moment. I'm still shooting all the video footage for this project. I know it's a little bit behind on the YouTube at the moment, but I just haven't had the opportunity to get the videos edited because they take quite a long time. So this is where I'm up to currently. The next video coming out will be painting the bottom of this one, and I'll show all the process of that. So at the moment I've just painted up to the chine, and the top sides are just primer, so that'll be done when I do the deck. So I'll paint that in. The sides are going to be blue on this with a red chine as per the original colour scheme. Then it's going to be white up until the bubble, and then this whole section is going to be varnished, so should look quite nice. I think be quite a sharp looking boat when it's finished. So I've got the bubble on and I'm just working on this lamination at the moment, which is going to sort of form just a little bit of a runoff here for any dew and spray that gets on the foredeck. This used to have a small windscreen on here, so this will kind of replace that effectively. And this is all going to be rounded off, so it will form a nice round soft coaming, basically similar to how I did the cockpit on Missile. And these will round in as well, so it will look a little bit less frumpy than it does at the moment. I'm also just working on these little fillets that are going to go in here and kind of blend everything in together. So once that's all built up and rounded off, that'll look quite nice, I think. I've got the dash done, so there's going to be a glove box on the passenger side, and then that's going to contain the gauges on the driver's side. These are little infill pieces that are going to go in there. So we're sort of nearing the end of the woodwork on the Stapley, and then it would just be kind of final finishing. So the aim is to get some varnish on this probably in the next few weeks, and then just leave that to sit for a good bit of time, and then I'll do the final finishing next year on that one. So as I say, sorry I'm a little bit behind on the videos for this project, but I'm still shooting footage for everything that I'm doing, and they'll come in time as and when I get enough time to get them edited, because they take me about 2 days probably to edit one of those videos, so it's a little while. Then this is what else I've been working on. So this is a pre-war Chris Craft 1936 17-foot deluxe runabout model. I've got it upside down and braced up and squared and leveled. The bottoms come off as well. And I just took the keel out yesterday, so that's just resting loose there at the moment. And the next thing is going to be to start replacing all the frames on this one. So just going to work down those one at a time and assess whether they're savable or whether they need replacing. There's quite a lot of rot in this boat, particularly around the port side. As you can see, this planking is really soft, and the framework underneath it as well. A lot of areas that are going to want to be replaced. The chines are in pretty bad shape, and the transom has had all kinds of different repairs over the years, various bits chopped in. So pretty much all the transom's going to be new. In fact, I think all of the transom's going to be new. There's nothing really savable there. It's just going to be patterns as best as I can collect them for new pieces. So then I'm going to work down the framework, just sort of replacing the bottom frames, or saving them if they're savable. Nearly all the brass fasteners are de-zincified, of course, so they're really soft and crumbly, which is the reason that most of those are left in there. So I found the best way to get the bottom planking off was actually just to run a pry bar down either side of the fixing line and just pop the screws, the heads off the screws, and get the planking off that way. The idea is that as I take these frames out, if I'm not going to save the frame, I won't bother going to the effort of pulling all the screws out. I'll just pattern it and make a new one. Frames like this one, for example, that are quite nasty splits in them, that'll just get patterned for a new piece. So yeah, quite a bit of work in that one, but I'm plodding on with it slowly, and it'll be a lovely boat when it's finished. So there we go, there's a little shot of the workshop at the moment and what's going on. As I say, apologies that I haven't posted any more of the Stapley videos, but the editing takes me so long. I just kind of get to it when I got the time. But I thought you might like a little update on what I'm up to at the moment and where the two boats are. So I've got some more stuff coming in once the Stapley comes out. I'm going to be doing a Healy 75, so that'll be coming in, which is a fiberglass hull and a wood deck, and that needs all the internal structure replacing on it, so I'll be working on that next. The Chris Craft, I'm not really going to do many videos on that, to be honest, because it's a project I need to just kind of get into, and the videoing kind of holds that process up quite a bit, so I'll probably just do a couple of drop-ins and outs like this and just keep you updated on how the boat's looking. But that's where she is for now. She's still coming to bits at the moment. So hope you liked the video, and keep looking out for new stuff on the channel, and I'll get it put up as and when I can. Okay, cheers guys.